but I started that, but I also started Fast Radius simultaneously. And Fast Radius is a 3D printing business that I started in partnership with Stratasys and UPS.
Hmm.
And that came about, John Herstick, who had started Stratasys, SolidWorks that I mentioned earlier, and Scott Crump, who founded Stratasys, who was the guy that sort of invented FDM 3D printing. We're in Atlanta one night. We went out for a beer, and Scott Crump was like, "What are you working on these days?" And I'm like, "I'm going to start this CNC machining business because it's what I enjoy." He goes, "How about starting a 3D printing business?" And I said, "Well, I wasn't thinking about it." And then he told me that he had some unique technology in his R&D lab, and he wanted an entrepreneur to create a business around that technology so that he could then acquire it. That if he tried to take that technology and do a startup internally, it might not be as successful because um, the people working inside of a corporation typically aren't that entrepreneurial, and if they are, they're bound by the rules of the corporation. So it's hard to innovate and do stupid things, try crazy things inside of a corporation.
Gotcha.
So I started Fast Radius, and part of the thesis of that was to have lots of 3D printers embedded at logistics hubs around the world to build a connected additive manufacturing cloud in order to facilitate digital virtual inventory.
Mm.
So SKUs that don't exist until someone orders them, and then they get
Mm.
printed, want a box and delivered.